all the king's palace. So we're gonna start from the king's room, and then we're gonna go around in the prince room.
Guys, are you excited like me? Let me know. Oh my God, it's like
So mostly this room is for the family,
yeah.
but it doesn't mean that people, like two people or a couple or one person can.
Guys. Hello guys, welcome here at Kitabi Eco Center. Here we have our host. She's going to show us around. Yeah, so you are welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you very much. I'm so pleased to be on your YouTube channel and show the people around at Kitabi Eco Center, showing the rooms, the camping, and the other amenities. This is all the king's palace. So we're gonna start from the king's room, and then we're gonna go around in the prince rooms and show the camping site and yeah, everything.
Oh wow, can't wait.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
This is the king's palace.
Guys, are you excited like me? Let me know. Oh my God, it's like King's Palace.
Yeah, it's like
King's
the king's
room.
palace.
Yeah.
You know, because people go visit the Nyanza.
At King's Palace.
Yeah,
Yes.
in the king's palace in Nyanza.
Yes.
So we want them not only to visit the king's palace, but also to stay as the kings and the queen.
Yeah, they feel like
So that's why we made this for the people to experience such kind of experience.
Oh, that is amazing.
So let's go around this house and see everything in it.
Oh wow! Can't wait. But it's dark, guys.
Yeah, it's kind of dark, but it's because it's during the daytime. In the evening, in the night. So mostly this room is for the family, but it doesn't mean that people, like two people or a couple or one person can't sleep in it. Yeah. But it has multiple beds. It has the main bed for the king and the queen, and it has the simple beds for the kids.
Yeah, this one for the kids.
Yeah.
And
So like about 7-8 people can sleep in this room.
oh, 2 by 2, 2, 2, 2.
No, 2 here, 1.
Because those are
kind of small. It's for one person.
1, 2. But
It's a
you
single
said
bed.
it's 6. Yeah. 2,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we
There are
add
5.
we add more beds.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
wow, that's
yeah.
so nice.
Mhm.
Oh, like if you are a big family, so
Yeah.
you see you can come and occupy this room because you
Exactly.
see they have a lot of space. They can bring more bed as you see. Yeah. Oh wow.
Exactly.
This is for the
King and the queen.
king and queen. Oh
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
I would like to come here with my king.
You're welcome.
Oh, but the problem, I'm single, guys.
Oh, no.
I'd like to have my king here. My God.
So once you find one, then you're welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate this offer, guys. Oh, I
And
can't wait.
something special in this house
Yes.
is that we make fire in it, so that it can kind of be
Bit
warm.
warm, yeah.
Because it's so cold in the night.
Yeah,
So
I
we
was
make fire
freezing
there,
last night.
And people can chill just around the fire. And
Yes. I think even towards culture, the kings, they have to put the fire here.
Yeah, that's part
so
of
that
our culture.
to protect like those fires, to keep them away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we're heading to the Prince Palace.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you one of the Prince Palaces because the other Princess Palace are occupied. Okay.
Guys.
This is the Prince room.
Oh wow, it's so pretty. There is that hanger
Yeah.
and the light. And the bed, of course,
Yeah.
for 2 people and the
Sure.
welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's so nice. Guys, which one would you like to?
To stay in.
Yeah, like this one or the king's one? Please comment
Tell us in
down.
the comments.
Yes. So let's go to the next one. Yeah.
There are 7 of these small ones, the prince rooms, I mean, and we've seen one, and we're gonna see the last one. The other ones we're just gonna walk around them because they are occupied. Is
Oh.
that okay?
Is that Here is the bathroom I have showed you last time. And this is another one. Oh, which is this one? Princess room?
That's the prince palace. It's a single one.
Oh, wow. Looks cute. I like it.
And something special with this is because it's more traditional compared to the other ones. It has the Rwandan traditional beds, which is called urutara. As you can see, this is more unique. It's
Yeah,
different compared to the other ones.
Yes.
It's more traditional.
Oh,
Even its floor is traditional. Even the bed is traditional. It's Rwandan traditional bed, which is called urutara.
yeah,
You know that?
I know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is something unique.
About this room.
Yeah.
Oh, I would like to stay in this room
You're
one
welcome.
day.
Next time.
Yeah, next time I will stay here. Then next time when I get my king, I will stay to
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for walking around with us in the King's Palace. But know that this is not only what we have. We have the other things out there, including the campsite, the restaurant, the kitchen, even the balcony, the view, everything. So we're gonna go in the campsite. We have the slots for self-camping, and we also have our rental tents. So let's go.
Guys, as you see here, there are so many activities, there are so many things, there are so you discover when you come to visit this place. Yeah, like this one, guys. Imagine taking your drinks over this view, guys. See how pretty is this place. You see this natural park view and the tea plantation views over there. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I can tell you. Oh, the air from here, my god, this view. Guys, you should come and explore here. So if you need more info, please go down, check a link in the description. There you will find their website. You can go and book there. So, and if you have any question, please put down in the comment section below there. Yeah, I will answer your question or text me via my email. Yeah.